Okay, assalamu alaikum. This is Welbin from Welbin Work Health and Wellness channel on Instagram. Today I cooked something called Saag, as well as it's spelled Saag. It's like an Indian food, a vegetable. Also, spinach. I put some scallions in there, as well as some onions in there. Now I don't cook. All right, I don't cook, but I'm just trying some stuff out. Put some butter in there. I blanched the saag as well as the spinach in hot boiling water. I just boiled the water over here while I was sautéing the onions and let me turn this on. Can we turn this on? There we go. The onions and the scallions. I also put two of these in there. Where are they? Right here. One, two. These are medium. I call them mild. They're mild peppers. And gosh, what are they called? Something peppers. I forget. But they said those aren't the spicy ones. Excuse me. They said they're not the spicy ones. And the smaller ones are very spicy. The hot ones are big as well. So I got the ones that are medium. And we have some almond milk, and I microwaved this, by the way. And then I just cut it open after, put a lid on it. Some butter up in there, and yeah. Before I eat, I actually prayed before. I just had the water boiling on praying, and then boom, you know what I'm saying, so I can just cool out, not smelling any smells. And the dishes are clean before I eat. Okay, that's just something I'm trying to implement and not indulge in too much of eating before the dishes are clean, because it's harder to scrub these pots and pans when they're stuck on, and so just I'm just doing it before. That's all. All right. So let's eat, inshallah. I'm gonna try this out. I just want to try it. Let's go to the table. See, that's what I get for holding the phone. Hold on. Turn this light off. Bismillahi. You know what? I'll eat here. This chair done had it. I gotta get rid of this chair. These little stools, little rectangular stools. All right. So I'm just gonna set this right here. We're gonna try this. We're gonna try this. Bismillah. Still crunchy. I didn't saute the saag or the spinach, but the onions will still have a crunch, so that's good. I don't like sauteing it all the way down to the point where everything is just loosey goosey. I want to have a little crunch in my food. And I was gonna say something. Ain't much to say. I was gonna say something, but I forgot. Guess it doesn't really matter. Try a sweet potato. Oh, that's what I was gonna say. I put pink Himalayan salt in there, as well as some garlic powder and pink Himalayan salt. Oh, and some paprika. The amazing thing, see me, I don't know, I'll never eat on camera. The amazing thing about sweet potatoes is you don't have to put anything on it. I was raised on like candy yams and stuff like that. I never knew that sweet potatoes don't need anything. A little butter, that's it. You know, I don't have to put it in the oven or boil it like a regular potato. You know, you pop it in the microwave. I cover it so it doesn't explode on the interior of the microwave. I mean, it doesn't anyway, but I just take precautions. How often do you want to have to clean out your microwave? Put a cover on it, you know. I should have a knife up here because I didn't cut up the saag stems all the way, so some of them are still whole. You're probably wondering, where's the meat at? Yeah, I know. It's not on the plate. I have some veggie patties in there. I'm not a vegetarian, but sometimes it just calls for vegetables, you know. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam actually didn't eat meat every single day. So this is okay. It's part of the sunnah. Okay, that's amazing. When you get down to the brown crunch of the onion, it's like the crispness. You know, when it's caramelized. Oh boy. I'ma go. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.